students. Today I shall discuss the relationship between political science and sociology. So, political science mainly deals with the state and the system of government, the way government run the country, and the analysis of political activities, political thoughts that are associated with constitution and political behavior. So these are the main subject matter of political science. And conventional political science or general political science focused on two elements. First is political theory, which mainly focuses on the idea about government from Plato to Marx. It is the study of politics and its concepts and the historical record of political thought. Second element is government administration, which generally deals with the formal structure of government rather than its actual operation. Like our federal system of government, we have three parts: executive, judiciary, and legislature, isn't it? Which already you have studied in class 9 and 10. So executive includes president and about 50 lakhs of its workers, and judiciary, which includes Supreme Courts and lower courts. Legislative, that means the Senate and the House of Representatives. Okay. So sociology is devoted to the study of all aspects of society, like it studies about family, its economy, the educational and political system, and its interrelationship. Whereas conventional political science restricted itself mainly to the study of power as embodied in formal organization. That means how power play its role to organize its members formally or legally. So in our society, different authorities are there in different layers who enjoy several powers. That means formal power. And political science studies the power and functions of those bureaucratic authorities. Sociology also stresses on the interrelationship between sets of institutions including government, because government influences other institutions like family, education, religious institution, etc. Here I want to give an example that at present we are doing virtual classes, isn't it? And other related activities. That is because of the government decision. So we can say that government or political institution influences educational institution, and likewise it influences other institutions too. Whereas political science tends to turn attention towards the processes within the government. That means political science studies the procedure by which the legislative and the executive of the government make decisions and the activities they does to take the decision. Okay. Next point is the focus of political sociology has been increasingly on the actual study of political behavior. Here political behavior is not the normal behavior of an individual, but the behavior of an individual who has his own political opinion, political attitude, belief and values. Even in the recent Indian election, we have seen that the political pattern of voting, where the citizens use their own opinion to cast their vote. Okay, so these are the relationship between sociology and political science. Thank you.